an additional domain controller, and I'm going to join with that my primary domain. So for that, I already prepared one Windows 2022 server. In this, I am going to be add Active Directory roles and features. Going to manage, add roles and features. Next, the server details, and just I'm going to be add Active Directory domain services. Then click next, then installed. Active Directory domain services installed. So now I'm going to do the post configuration. Click close, go to domain. Now here I'm going to be choose an option like option 1, add a domain controller to existing domain. I'm going to be enter my existing domain, which is yourlab.online, and change the credentials. I'm going to be select an administrator. Click OK. This is the local administrator too. We'll see. Yeah, I'm going to give yourlab slash yes. Click next. This is the error when it is going to be prompt. So we're going to be add this server first to the domain, then we're going to be perform, it is going to be resolved. So for that, I'm going to be cancel this, go to properties, my computer. I'm going to be change the computer name, then I'm going to be join into the domain. So I'm going to keep AD02, and my domain is yourlab.online, and click OK. Before that, I want to check the IP details and DNS as well. For that, NCPA, and so this is a DHCP. I'm going to be converting to static. T1 and /24 168.99.2 is my gateway, and my DNS is 130, which is nothing but my primary Active Directory's IP. That's it. Now I am going to join this system into the domain. It is a prompting. I give an admin privilege to join the system to the domain. Once it is joined, I'm going to be perform the reboot. Then after, I'm going to be configure the Active Directory. Domain joined successfully. Click OK. It's an RPC error. Click OK. Restart now. We joined this system into the domain. Now we're going to be perform the post configuration of that AD services. So now I am continue with the same first option. Add a domain controller to existing domain. This is my domain controller, and it is going to take my administrator credentials, which is system login credential. Click next. You must supply a user account name. So it accepted. I'm giving a password for recovery. Now adding this additional domain controller to my primary. Reboot completed successfully. Now I'm going to be login and verify domain controllers. Just log into the server. Go to the run prompt. dsa.msc. This is my domain URL. In this domain controllers, I can see two domain controllers. This is my secondary domain control. For my primary, I didn't change the computer name, so that's why it is showing. In my next video, I am going to be show how to migrate a domain, one domain to another domain, which is nothing but we call like a active directory consolidation. For example, if any one of the organization acquired another organization, in that scenario, the old active directory users with the user privilege credentials, everything like a workload is going to be migrating to the new organization. That we will see in my next video. Thank you.